All right, folks, welcome back to Williams Family Farm, GA, Williamshomesteadhaven. We kind of got started already, but we just wanted to film a little bit to let y'all know what we're doing. Babe, what we doing?
We're building a shed for our well.
That's right. So I'm going to go over here to the shed. Now, as you can see, we've already started this project a little bit, but wanted to make sure that we document this so everyone knows what we've done. We got all our materials. We got cousin Twanda here helping us.
I'm sitting down now, but I didn't
We just cleared a whole bunch of trees from the other property and moved it on the other side, so we did our part, right, Twanda?
Right,
exactly.
right.
Okay. So now we done got the foundation put up.
All right, I might need to give one of the phone.
Okay.
Or go get your the pod.
Just hold it because it's already recording.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's got like a little clip thing on here on the back if you want to put your fingers through it.
Okay.
All right.
Then on that ladder right there.
And hashtag can't do nothing without his wife.
Right, he definitely can't. The brains behind this all.
I'm just a country boy with a hammer in hand, building dreams out here on this patch of land. Boards and nails, sweat and dirt, making it strong, making it work. This is my peace, my serenity, a little slice of heaven for my family, a roof for love, a field for grain. Williamshomesteadhaven, through joy and pain, planting seeds where the wild grass grew, rows of green reaching for skies so blue, a chicken coop, a barn out back, step by step, no turning back. Land is wealth, its roots to stay, for my kids to hold when I'm far away. This is my peace, my serenity, my serenity, my surveillance, lots of heaven, my family, all my family, for love, a field for grain, Williamshomesteadhaven, through joy and pain. You can hunt the woods, you can fish the stream, raise a garden full of simple dreams. But the best part of this pot I own is the quiet joy of calling it home.
Hold it. Hold it right there. It's sticking up. Hold on.
I'm just a country boy with a hammer in my hand, building up a dream on this patch of land, nailing down boards, raising these beams, turning rough soil into quiet dreams. This is my piece, my little slice, a patch of earth where the stars feel twice as bright. For my family, for my name, oh, a place to stand, to stake my claim. This is my peace of mind, my own. Planting rows of seeds in the morning light, chasing off the crows as the day turns night. A coop for the hens, a pen for the swine. Every nail I drive feels like crossing a line, from just a dream to something real. Each splintered board's a bond I feel. This is my piece, my little slice, a patch of earth where the stars feel twice as bright. For my family, for my name, a place to stand, to stake my claim. This is my peace of mind, my own. Generations will walk this ground, hear the whippoorwill, soft lonesome sound. They'll till this dirt, they'll breathe this air, and know someone fought to plant roots
Welcome to another episode of Williamshomesteadhaven. Today on the farm, we're going to be installing, installing a door on the shed that he built on our last episodes. So we couldn't quite find the right size door, so as always, my husband will figure this out and finagle this some way to make this door fit on this shed. So stay tuned and follow us on this journey.
Good morning, guys. This is Charles with Williamshomesteadhaven. Just an update on the shed. I got done with it, put the door on there. I just gotta do the bottom part. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Down here, I gotta put some type of border to keep anything from going inside. But I put the door in, did the best I could do to make it work. I had to do a little MacGyvering, but I got it in there. It works, as you can see. The door works fine. Gotta put a deadbolt lock on the top. But I had an extra lock right there, so I just gotta get a deadbolt. But as you guys can see, I painted it white. And this is just for the time being, because I won't be back down here for a while. So this is just what I got, guys. Gotta put some trimming down at the bottom. Put a little bit more bracing in the inside. Then we'll put some siding. I'm gonna put some of that weathering stuff on it. Even though I painted it, that's just to keep the bugs and stuff from eating up the wood. Then I'm gonna put that stuff on the side for weathering, and then I'm gonna put some siding on it. But yeah, I made it breathable. I closed off the ends with foam, bug protected foam. But yeah, guys, this is the aftermath.